Another option you guys might want to consider is the cab pass-through window. There's 3 reasons why it's a good option for you. Number 1 is if you want to have visibility through your camper. You can combine it with a rear window and be able to see what's behind you. Number 2 is if I want to get gear outside of my truck. When I'm inside my camper, I can open this up. And if I have a window in my truck, which most of them do in the rear window, you can just keep that open and get gear out. Number 3 is also using both of those windows. You don't want to bring a utility trailer and just fit small lumber in the back of your truck. I use this all the time at home when I'm building projects. Something for you guys to check out. Bonus feature for you is that I'm not going to take all this gear off to show you how this works, but there are 2 latches up here, and this actually drops down. So if you don't have anything on your bulkhead and you actually want to clean the rear window of your car, which is really difficult to do after you have your camper installed, this is another great feature.